Welcome to the Office of Residence Life's work order series on circuit breakers. Circuit breakers can seem confusing. Here are some easy and simple ways to troubleshoot issues and avoid power-related work orders. What is a circuit breaker? A safety device protects a circuit from damage, a quick and safe way to turn on and off electrical power. If too much electricity is used at once, it will automatically trip and turn off electricity and can easily reset after resolving the trip. What is the most common cause of a circuit breaker tripping? An overloaded circuit, caused by more electricity being used than the circuit can safely handle. Can be caused by too many devices plugged in, too many high-power appliances being used at the same time, a faulty appliance/device that draws more power than is safe. How to avoid tripping a circuit breaker? Do not use extension cords, splitters, or outlet extenders. Use multiple appliances at the same time, in the same room, i.e. don't vacuum, bake, microwave, and run the dishwasher at the same time, or plug too many devices into an outlet. Do split devices and appliances across multiple outlets. Utilize a surge protector if an outlet is hard to access. What to do if your circuit breaker trips, Part 1. Check for a burning or odd smell. Then, if a burning or odd smell, pinpoint the smell's location. If it's a device you own, unplug the device and bring it to a ventilated area. If unable to find the smell or it's from a UML appliance, contact a Residence Life staff member immediately. If an appliance has a burning or odd smell, or the reason for the trip is not an overloaded circuit, do not reset the breaker. Complete a work order after contacting a Residence Life staff member. What to do if your circuit breaker trips, Part 2. Find your electrical service box, usually a metal wall panel painted to match or gray. This contains all of the fuses and accessible breakers for your unit. Locate the tripped breaker. The tripped breaker will be in the off position or halfway between on and off. Reset the tripped breaker. If the breaker is in the off position, flip it fully to the on position. If it's halfway, flip the breaker fully to off and then back to on. Pro tip: the numbers next to a breaker align with a printed guide on the inner door of the electric service box. You can find the breaker number on the paper and then find the correct breaker. After resetting a tripped circuit breaker, ensure the reason for the tripped breaker has been addressed. Never reset a breaker if the reason for the trip isn't fixed. This is a great time to inform any roommates about the situation so they know how to avoid similar situations. Test one appliance/device works in an outlet connected to the formerly tripped breaker, and close the electrical service panel door. If the same circuit breaker trips again, after unplugging the appliances/devices that caused an overload, contact a Residence Life staff member and then complete a work order. Thank you for watching, and please report all non-emergency work orders through the housing portal and all emergency work orders to your residence hall staff.